think of world-class shopping district, what comes to your mind? Champs-Élysées in France, Fifth Avenue in New York, or Ginza in Tokyo? Here we have the famous Singapore Ultra Road. And today I'm going to show you an ultra luxury project in Ultra Boulevard. By the time it's completed, it's definitely going to be the new iconic landmark of Ultra Road. Nestled in the prime District 10 along Ultra Boulevard is an exclusive freehold address beyond compare. It comprises of two 28-story towers accommodating 154 apartments. It's jointly developed by CDL Development and Leong Holdings. I don't think you need more introduction. It's clearly one of the best. It's designed by world-renowned architect Moshe Safdie, and he has many iconic projects like MBS and Jewels of Changi Airport, and he has won the 2019 Wolf Award, which is like the Nobel Prize in architecture. So if you look at this project, it also has an infinity pool and sky observatory deck, kind of resembles his design with the MBS. Project is going to be sitting on a 5-star hotel, which is the Singapore edition, and it's brought to you by the inventor of boutique hotel or destination hotel, Ian Schreger, and Marriott International. Speaking of Schreger himself, he was actually the 70s disco king who launched the New York legendary Studio 54, and now his brand is really gaining popularity around the world, like London, New York, even in China, really making his mark in the luxury hotel sector. So now let me finally take you to the 4-bedroom layout. It's 2,777 square foot. It has 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, and a maid's room. So going into this living room, you really feel the openness, and it's probably one of the most spacious layout on the market. And in Singapore, land is such a scarce and precious commodity, so having such huge layout in one of the most prime locations, it truly feels indulgent. So coming out of the living room, you are entering this huge 8-meter long balcony with a really beautiful greenery view of Ultra Boulevard. And what's the best? Boutique shops like Hermes and Cartier are just right around the corner, so if you want to know what's the latest, I think you can literally just shout out to the balcony. Right across from the dining area, we're at the open kitchen here. It's a really gorgeous kitchen, and all the kitchen cabinet and countertop, we're using the Icon collection by Italian brand Ernestomeda. So for this brand, the design really focuses on functionality, aesthetic, and technical performance. So even as you can see, for the material they use, they provide a very strong visual impact. So it really goes nicely with everything, becomes part of the design. So here we can look at this cabinet, and we're also fitted with Miele appliances like a coffee maker, oven, and wine chiller. And let me show you, the fridge is actually beautifully hidden behind this cabinet. So along this walkway, you will have 3 ensuite common bedrooms on your left side and a helper's ensuite on your right side. So it really provides the total privacy for everybody who stays in this apartment. So now I'm gonna take you all the way inside to check out the master bedroom. Coming into the master bedroom, it's very spacious and it feels very cozy for sleeping. Also in terms of the building material and brand, our developer has definitely picked all the best fittings. For the walk-in wardrobe, we're using Caccaro from Italy. And now let me take you to the master bathroom. One of my favorite spots in this entire apartment is this gorgeous, exquisite bathroom. I mean, just look at this wall decor that's like Van Gogh inspired marble. Doesn't it remind you of that famous painting, Starry Night? Like super pretty. And for bathroom, it's also fitted with top-notch brands such as Antonio Lupi. And for shower fittings, we have Antonio Stereo, which features a chrome-plated shower tap. So now if I've seen everything about Boulevard 88, that's to check all your boxes when you're looking for a home. And if you're interested, feel free to give me a call for more information. I'm Kristie from Urban Agent, and if you like our video, feel free to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next exclusive listing. Bye!